Today we're going to show how to install the Durashield Insulated wire strainer. This insulated wire strainer performs exceptionally well in wet conditions, especially with the larger energizers. To begin with, you need to tie the termination knot, which is the wire goes under, over, so about 300 or a foot out there going under, comes over, back under, pull it towards yourself, push that up to the strainer post, keep a bit of tension on here. It's way easier to tie if you have that tension on there, and it helps hold it in position. Go underneath, just form the small circle, bring it back, lazy loop, then the 2.5 tight loops. When you're breaking it, always go away from the knot to begin with and back over and just give it a flick and it snaps off. To get the distance out from the post, we put our hand on there with the thumb out, bend it round. If you do that on each wire, they all end out the same distance from the post. Then cutting this, because of that's a large insulator, we make it a little bit longer. So do about 400 or 16 inches. Put the cutters right on there, cut through, thread this on, bring that round and twist it over there. Keep tension on there, keep tension on with this right hand and twist the insulator away as you pull down there, and then put a kink in and try and keep it in the center of the insulator. And then we're ready to do the 6 tight loops. The crank handle in, do the tight loops. Again, when we're breaking this, go away from those tight loops to begin with and give it a flick. Then twist it up so it sits in that vertical position. Now we're set up here ready to strain up the line wire. So just measure about to the back of the insulator. When you put the cutters on, put them right in the jaw there, cut that wire off. Now if you thread the hole so it's just gone past back of center, thread the wire through, and now we can tighten that there and hold it up. You get the universal ratchet handle and put on there. By keeping that tension on there, it means that when we're tightening it, you can get it so the wire sits next to itself. Once you've got it going, you can change and put the square drive over there and do it up, but keeping tension on there all the time. And just crank it up to the required tension.